Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to see there are certain templates on Ocean theme, and we will be talking about this Ocean theme, which is pro version, and their templates or the demos. So first I will show you they have got couple of bunch or collection of demos. As you can see, the restaurant one, the portfolio one, cream, toys, coffee shop, trainer, bikes, agency, and so on. So I'll be showing you one by one. In this video we are going to import one of them, and then next video you are going to see the another, and I will try my best to bring all the theme import and to provide you, if you need to have the same theme or the template, then I can provide you a very small charge, but you will get the same theme demo, which you can only find in premium. In free one you will never find these demos. So get in touch with me if you need any theme demo, and I will do my best. So let's get started. We are going back to our WordPress, and now as you can see we have installed the theme, as well as I will show you what plugins we are going to install in this video. Now we are going to launch first, so we click launch the setup wizard, and then it's asking you existing website or new website. Okay, new website. As you can see, here is nothing, so just for your information, this is a new website, nothing imported yet. Okay, so from website templates or from scratch, so website template. Now we are going to choose the first template. I think I might use this one, and it will look like this. So let's have a look. The template name is Maria, and here you can see on the left hand side the categories or pages. Yes, and here social icons, about me, the demo or the blog demo, pagination, and then here again you will see the menu, and it is provided by OceanWP, right? So we are going to import this one. I'm going to click on import template. Yes, import this template. What we need to import, I'm going to import everything. All are ticked, as you can see. If you don't like anyone, then you can just uncheck and it will not be installed, but I'm going to import everything. So install and activate. All are activated. Now continue. Here you want to share whatever, then you can choose. I'm going to choose all, that you can get the whole demo, complete demo. So install and activate. And after that you are just going to click on continue again. You have to give the name, whatever name you want to give to your website, and the tagline, or if you have any icon, or like the icon as you can see here, you see the corner, on the corner, small one. So if you need here this icon, you just need to upload here, otherwise just skip this step. So I'm just skipping because here it is asking about the logos. color combination. If you want to have a specific color combination, you can choose from. I will just skip this. I will leave it as use default website template color. Skip this tab. And here is the typography, where you can find the font style and other stuff. If you have any font in your mind, you can click here and then next. But I will skip. And the same thing, website content, what contents you are going to I'm going to check all, continue, and then now it is asking, okay, it will be overwritten if you have any new previously any content on your website. So if you are happy, I understand, let's build, and then start, clicking on start. Now it is importing content. You need to wait a while and this will be imported on your website. So if you need this website for your own domain, let me know in comment section. I will provide you the backup file and then you can use for it. Okay, so here you can see, hooray, this was awesome. Okay, the website is imported. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, we go on our this one is the, you see, demo, and then this is our website. I'm just going to refresh. Here you go. As you can see, the beautiful website is ready as it is, as you saw in the demo. So if you like my video and the way I'm teaching or provide you the valuable information free of charge, then please consider subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family, or those people those are learning WordPress and they want to have a beautiful website on their domain. Then just remember my channel name, Era24 UK. I'll be very glad to see you guys here. Thank you. Bye bye.